We got this new channel coming out, Driving with 60BaeGrey. No cap. Driving with 60BaeGrey. No cap. You gotta flip it around. Button. You gotta touch the green one. Touch the green. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Driving with 60BaeGrey. We got a special intro for you. All right, guys, come on. 1, 2, 3. 60BaeGrey got the real drip, no cap. Hey, we got the real drip, no cap. Hey, you know what time it is? This is what you've been waiting for. Oh shoot, the seatbelt. No, the noise is.
It'll go away.
Okay, cool. All right. No, so anyway, you're back. You're watching this video because you're trying to figure out what is 60BaeGrey doing. Driving with 60BaeGrey. Well, we about to show you right now. This is what we doing. No cap. Go ahead and show where we at. Yes, sir.
The flag isn't waving.
Yes, it's vertical. But we're at Chrisville Chevrolet. We're gonna call my man Nick. He can turn it back around. We're gonna let him know that we just pulled up. Let's see if he's gonna get my name right. All right. I'm 60BaeGrey. Let's see what he's gonna be on when I give him a call. I got him on the microphone. On speaker. Yeah. Here we go. He's not answering the phone. Where is he at?
60BaeGrey, what's going on?
Hey, what's going on, player? Hey, we here. We pulled up. We had a couple of bloopers that we did. But we here. Guess what? We outside. We outside.
What
Okay.
side do you park on?
Man, I'm parked right in front of the new whip. No cap. Oh no, wait a minute. Oh, that's somebody else's. Where's?
No, I have it parked on the delivery under the delivery lane.
Okay. My man Nick, you ready to get paid? Okay. All right, you ready to get paid? So look, I'm gonna park the car. My son, show him your face, son. Hey, my son is here. Hey, look what we got. Let's go, 60BaeGrey, no cap. Okay. Hey, turn it back around. Look, guys, we just parked. Nick, I'm gonna be inside in a minute. I'm gonna talk to the people for a quick second, and my son's gonna get out and let them look at my drip. Okay?
Alrighty, sounds good.
All right, give me like 2 minutes.
Alright.
All right, guys. I got this little microphone. I gotta get mic'd up, no cap. Then we're gonna let y'all look at the drip. Hey, we got a little special thing we're gonna do for you too. All right, let's go ahead and get out. All right. All right. Flip it around. All right, turn around. Hey guys, I got a surprise for you. I got the real drip for you. Look at this drip right here. We're gonna talk about it later. Okay. 60BaeGrey. Okay. Yeah, that's right. Look. Okay. Wait. Okay. Hey, listen, I had to have a real drip for you guys, and we're gonna go inside and we're gonna get this ride, and we're gonna go ahead and get it popping. Let me go over here. Okay, guys, I'm out. Next time you see me, I'm gonna be riding down the street. You're gonna be driving 60BaeGrey next time you see me. Okay. All right, guys, I got the drip on, and we're going to go get this car. It's still unbelievable, but anyway, thanks, player.
Yep.
Love you.
Love you too.
All right, we're going inside. We're gonna talk with Nick. And sorry, man, I'm still just getting. Oh shoot. Okay, I got everything straight. Okay. All right. All right. All right, we're pulling in the dealership, man. It's quiet in here. Hey, 60BaeGrey is on the scene. No cap. What's up? Hey. What's up?
How's it going?
Say hi to the people.
Hey, how's it going?
He's a new vet hunter too. Absolutely, I saw it out there. It said this 60BaeGrey.
Oh, you saw that?
Yeah, I saw it. It's right there in the front. No cap.
Can't have it mistaken, you know.
I know. Hey man, for one of the things that we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to sync the phone up.
Yeah, absolutely.
And once we do that, we gotta test the speakers out because I'm gonna blast the 60BaeGrey song. Okay. Oh, huh?
You ready to hear it?
Absolutely. All right, guys. Okay. This is the ride. All right, this is what you've been waiting for to see. This is the 2LT HTC Z51 Blade Silver or Silver Flare with red interior, no cap. All right, let's look at the insides. Okay. Oh, got the red interior. Woo! Okay. You got the red interior. Look at that. Look. All right, guys. We're going to check it out later. We're going to do a delivery, vehicle delivery. You know, he got to have the money, right? That right?
Right. You got to get everything in order.
Okay. So basically, what we're going to do is I got to give him a check. And then he's going to help me walk through some things with me. And then we're going to link this up to my cell phone. And then we're going to be driving with 60BaeGrey, no cap. All right? We out of here. Whoosh. Stop recording. All right. Okay, fam. We got the deal done. We about to leave. And we about to go outside and do the other part of the vehicle delivery. And I'm going to come back at you. And we're going to vibe out in the car before we pull off the lot. So I'll talk with you later. No cap. All right, there we go. We're at 360. All right. All right, we'll get you out of here. Okay, guys, it's over with. All right, but it's not over with. You're back here with me. We got the vet right here. Come on, there we go. We got the vet right here, no cap. And we got my man Nick from Chriswell Chevrolet right here. You see it right here, Chriswell Chevrolet shop right there.
Yes, sir, right here.
Your next vet you want to buy from him, we're in Gaithersburg, Maryland. It obviously looks young, but man, he knows what he's doing. He knows a lot about cars. He's helped me out a lot. And for you guys out there that know about cars, and he can match the information with you, info with info. So, anything you want to tell the people before we go?
It's been a pleasure. It's always fun to sell a vet, especially with someone with so much energy. Always fun, you know.
Okay.
These things are, just monsters.
Okay.
Always exciting.
Right. Well, hey, look, I don't know, who did you help today?
60BaeGrey.
No. Hey, 60BaeGrey got the real chip. Thank you, Nick.
Absolutely.
Appreciate you, my man.
Take care.
You made my purchase very fun, very exciting, and it's not every day you get a chance to purchase a vet. But thank you so much.
Absolutely.
So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna vibe out for a second. We're gonna walk around and we're gonna listen to a little bit of 60BaeGrey. But before we do, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the car. Come in here and get in here real quick. All right. Look at that. We got the real drip right here. Hold on. We got the real drip. Oh, we got that red drip right there. All right, go ahead. Come on in. All right. You see, we got this is the performance seats. You look at the seats, you got the logo. You can hold it up like this. You can hold it up. Okay. Yeah, you can hold it up, and it'll get it. It'll get the close up. Okay. All right. So anyway, so you see right here, we got that right here. All right. Then we have the logo here. So, man, we got a lot going on over here. Okay. Come on in the back. Come on right here. We got the Z51 right here with the red calipers. We got the Z51 package. We got the racing tires. We got the spoiler right here. Awesome. Come on around here. We got the drip on the passenger side, no cap. So as you can see, we have the black right here, and then get over the top. We got all the red right there. That's my wallet and stuff. Y'all leave my wallet alone. All right. So, and then we got the 70th anniversary. Look at the tag, it's still fresh on there. We take that tag, 70th anniversary. We got 70 right there too. Right there on the glass. All right, Come on, let's get a front view. All right. Hey, look, this is what y'all wanted. Y'all wanted to know what type of car I got? It's mine now. I paid for it. I wrote them a check. That's right. I wrote the check. No cap. I wrote the, let me say it again. I wrote the check. No cap. So, hey, got the real drip on for you right here. Put my glove on. I got my son's watch on, Christian Roberts. Hey, if y'all watching this and y'all know Christian Roberts, this was his watch. We got the front of the vehicle right here. We got the front splitter right here. But you know we're going to do vehicle modifications. We're going to change that out. So come on, let's get in the car and we're going to vibe out. All right, come on around here. All right. Get a little closer. All right. So we got 60BaeGrey playing in the background, but we're going to start it over. All right. Here we go. All right. How did that happen? All right. Here we go. All right. I'm excited. All right. Yeah! Come on now. Here we go. Hey! 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got it that way. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood. Ripping this mic, what? No fun. You know 60BaeGrey got the real drip. No cap, no cap, no cap. Step back, step back, step. Dropping this heat, no cap, no cap. All you guys, all cap, all cap. I'm ripping this mic like splash, like that, like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic. Boy. Hey, like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that, like that. Hey, dropping this heat, no cap, no cap. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell them, yeah, you tell them. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood. Ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood. Ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. Yo, stay with me. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. I told you once and I told you twice. I'ma tell you again so you get it right. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. Got the sexy drips for y'all to stare. All y'all say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. 60BaeGrey got the real drip in the sexy lane. All the ladies say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap, no cap. Here we go. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap. Here we go. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got it stacked right here. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got it stacked right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. All right, we got one more thing to do, and we gotta get some thumbnails. All right, can't each other. That's my second song. We can't let y'all listen to that one. All right, listen. You jive with 60BaeGrey. Just having a little bit of fun. We're gonna do story time with 60BaeGrey. Now you know the type of vehicle I got. You know what I'm gonna be on. So we're gonna have some fun. And we driving with 60BaeGrey. Oh, yeah. So if you drive with 60BaeGrey, one of the things is gonna be somebody else in the car from time to time. So like, comment, subscribe, and share. No cap. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. No cap. All right. So if the post notification is white, that ain't right. If the post notification is black, it's supposed to be like that. No cap. Talk to y'all later.